Okay, guys. Okay, so there are chances for this one to come. All right. Okay, okay. I think we should take the long position from here. Uh, because the momentum is still in the positive side, maybe, and the RSI is in my favor. I am going to open the long position from here using my 10% of my portfolio. Uh, mm, Sorry, 1% of my portfolio. Let's use 2%. No, let's use for at least 1%. Oh, just missed the nick of the time. Oh, what just happened? Oh, wow. See, well, it happens. No worries. We're just going to get some good profit in this trade. Sure, for sure. I just wanted to grab this tip actually, but no worries, no worries. We will see using 15x. Okay, 15x is my leverage from the market, and using I just opened the trade. See, I just opened the trade, and I just wanted to make sure. I just want to make a $50 from this trade as well, maybe, or just grab as much as profit as possible. These two hits, stop losses hits, and the $50. So we are in $40 positive now, and I just want to make maybe $100. Market is very, very in. All right. So for this trade, I have used uh, a $462. 62. Actually, I was just grabbing the percentage, so $460 using 50x of my 15x of the leverage from the market. Let's see where does it takes me. And we are just going to see. Okay, 50, $25. There is a rejection actually at this mark. If I put my stop loss, no, I will do the DC for this one actually. I'm using almost 1.5% of 1 point. What's going on? What's going on? Go up. The RSI was in my favor. sure. 77 was the good indication. Hmm. So guys, this live session is just for information and entertainment purposes and just for fun. Don't follow my trades. Always do your own research before you start doing trading. And yes, just learn first, then you can earn, of course. Start doing with demo trading and do your own research. And if you get a command on understanding the charts and movements, then yes, you can just add the real money. See, I was in positive $50 and just in the nick of time, I just went back to minus $10. So it happens with the market. And see, I'm just showing you that's my real live account. And you can just see, it's just moving back. This is the way it grabs the liquidity. The big order blocks just fills right away, and then it just in the live session you guys can see it just happened, like it just moved back a little bit and then went back up again. So that's the volatility of this market actually. uh that's the way it's called, like very dangerous market somehow. It can just sweeps you away from the market, or can make you mm, like millionaire in a days, of course. But always start investing. If you want to invest some money, just invest the money you can afford to lose, of course. Start learning with demo accounts, yes, and then yes, of course, you can make good money. uh Moreover, let me check another. All right, guys, so moreover, I'm just telling you guys about this one. There's a link in bio. You can just click on the link to join my community. That's the way we can just build our community, and we can do perform trades. I will share a few live signals every day, where to enter the market, where to exit the market, and but still do your own research before you enter the market. And yes, let's see what we can get from this one. All right, guys. So see the movement, see the previous candles. That's nobody can judge actually. Even we cannot judge like what's going on, like what's happening. Like it just went back up and just falls down, then went back up, then just fall down. Why it's just happening? Like we cannot judge at these kind of candles. These are some fake order blocks, fake not order blocks, but these are some fake breakouts. Big order blocks try to fills and then just falls back. So yeah, that's what it is, and that's the way you can just understand the market movement. That's the volatility actually, and it's what we go through in almost everyday trades. And what we are going to do is we have just took the trade following the momentum. The momentum was the bullish, and just took the long position. The RSI is in not in the favor actually. Potentially, yeah. Mm, If we see the 1 hour time frame, yes. If you guys have any suggestion, you guys can just write me in the comment section as well. So what's going on here is, yes, there are chances for this one to come a little bit down, but I'm not sure yet. Maybe if I put my stop loss, so I just want to take small profit, just make $50 from this trade and just stays away, try to stay away for, if I put my TP here, then yeah, it's just $50. Okay, let's put the TP at this mark. Maybe it can hit the top again. And if it's not hitting the top again, then it's falling down. The momentum could have been shifting to bullish to bearish at any point of time. And that's the beauty, actually. Okay, so what's going on here is guys, what do you think actually? I think this one can hit my TP. I'm not putting my stop loss right now. Actually, it just hit my stop loss 3 times today. But 2 times were positive, of course, and 2 times were negative. Negative was not that much actually. So we don't want to consider that one. So yes, and one more thing we can do. Let's see the other pair actually for now. Let's keep it continue. I have just put my TP. We will see. Oh wow, what a big fall. What a big fall. Uh, that's yeah. I just put my SL in this position. That's what I was just talking about. That was a very volatile coin. See the moment. See the moment. It just fall back like again. Mm, yes. Yes, potentially it will go way more up, but not from here. Maybe somewhere around 0.0095 could have been the 0.0093. Yes, guys, I'm going to open the long position in this one actually, and maybe I will keep it continue maybe for the longer period of time. So what I'm going to use is $215 using 25x leverage from here and going to open the long position from here. And if it goes wrong, no worries. Why I did open the long position from here is the reason is if you see the 1 hour time frame and it's still in the favor. It can go to 0.0094, 9, maybe somewhere 93, something like that, but not so much, not at least this mark, 0.0084. So that's why I just opened the long position here. Let's keep it continue and see if it goes right or wrong. So far, our both trades shows the right indication, and this one is going to be in green. So what will I do with the HUSDT is I will do the DCA, what I have already mentioned earlier in the previous session. If something goes wrong, then I will perform the live, I will do the DC at this mark. Something big is happening. What's big is happening is actually, oh yes, this is what I was just talking about actually. This one will fall down and will give me a good profit. I'm sure. I'm very much sure. Uh, let's talk about this position. Yes, I have a good um, feeling about this one actually. What's happening with BTC? Let's talk about BTC. BTC. Let's add this one favorites as well. So 89,000 mark. 89,000. Let's see the 1 hour time frame. Wow. So 1 day time frame is the bullish time frame. 1 hour time frame is also, if you guys can see, so it's already on the higher side of today's price. And if we see the 15 minutes time frame, okay, it's bullish. Of way 5 minutes time frame, okay, it's bullish. 1 minute time frame, it's bullish. Not bullish. Actually, 1 minute time frame can, yeah, bullish. So BTC dominance is already high. So BTC is moving the market, of course. So always just see the dominance of BTC and all seasons. So all season will come when the alts are on the higher side of the, you know, um, dominance. So yes, and the fear index was 28. It's a good sign. It's just improving day by day. So there was a greed in the market, maybe, yes. And what you are going to do is just to grab small amount of profit and just stay away from the market. So we will try to make just 1% of my capital today, so which is $300. Maybe I will be able to get 1%, or maybe no, maybe not, because I am just afraid of the market because of the volatility. There are big movements from up and down. So what we need to do is just to be very safe. Okay. So what's going on? Okay. All right. So it's showing a good potential. But not sure actually. I think it will fall down. Let's close this one and wait for this one to come a little bit more down. Just give me $10. Just give me, boy, just give me $10. I'm just going to close your position actually. But I just want to make sure, I just want to make, see the moment actually, if you guys can see. I don't want to make $5. Let's keep it continue. If it goes wrong, no worries. We will do DCA. Hmm. And okay. No, it will fall down. Sure, it will. I have to close this position right after $10. Just give me 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 $10. Nine doesn't look nice actually. Yeah, 13. Oh, what just happened? And gave me just $8. That was a fake actually. Fake breakout. Okay, and let's talk about open position. This one is going wrong. Truth is going wrong. Yes. Oh, wow, what a big fall. I will do DCA at this one. Wow, it was not expected to be this way. See guys, this is what I'm just talking about. It can take my profit even maybe like 2 3 days profit, sometimes maybe 1 day profit. Mm. This will for sure go way more up, and you guys will witness the history of this coin sometimes. Yeah, it's going to happen someday. And when it's going to happen, nobody can tell. But yes, it's going to happen. I have a very, very good feeling for this one actually. See, we are $270 negative. No worries. I have a very good feeling for this one. This one is already on the lower side of its price. Okay, let's talk about H4 now. Yes. Yeah, see, I just closed it at this mark and it's just falling down. What I need to do is I want to open a long position. Where from where? What from where we can open the long position? This is the good actually. Yes, let's open it. Let's open the long position. Okay, I just have opened the long position again. 15x. Okay, use the 15x of my from leverage from the market. And where to put the DTP? No, that's so small. Okay. Okay, let's see how much strong it could be. Today, the day is not good so far for me. Actually, just made $100 almost, which is not a good sign. I usually try to grab $500-600 every day, but I don't know what's just going on. Well, it happens sometimes. Uh, did I miss any message? Thank you so much for your heart. Uh, okay. All right, guys. So what's going on here is we are just stuck at one trade, and on the other trade we are just at the neck of to get stuck. So I don't know what should I do actually here. Let's keep it continue maybe for a longer period of time. Okay, already I have just drawn the TP, and let's see. I just placed the TP at $30. Yeah, that's achievable actually. Or if it goes to negative side, I will do DCA. I can do DCA, but I will not do it for now. See, $20, $30. So we are just trying to grab $30, $50 today. Maybe we will perform like few trades, and let's see. Okay, thank you so much for your comments. You can just share my live stream to your friends as well, so they will also try to encourage them to just see how I perform the live trades. Sometimes it goes wrong, sometimes goes right, so you have to accept, you have to adapt. You have to accept the uh, negative side of trading as well, instead of everything is going positive. So I just made $100. That's my live account. Uh, uh, Using just 1% of my portfolio. So just gradually increase your portfolio instead of just making thousands of dollar every in a day. Okay, so what we are just we just opened the long position from here. So we just grabbed the bottom of this time frame, but unable to touch my TP. Why it's not? Maybe it will take a little bit more time. But I'm not going to put my stop loss at some mark actually, maybe for now. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay, okay, okay. Just hit my TP. Just grab small profits. Just grab small profits. So yes. Okay. So the position is of $320. Okay. Okay, let's do it this way. I will close these positions now and try to open using 5% of my portfolio with using 20x. 20x is good, I think. Uh, yeah, okay. Let's do it that way actually. Oh, the momentum is just moving, which is not a good sign, but let's see if it hits my TP or just gives me a shock, just like that. Hmm. Oh, see, just went back up and just falling down again. If it falls down, then what can we do? We cannot do anything. I could have take $20 positive, or maybe not. But let's see. Oh, it's just moving along, just moving along my break even. So let's see if we can get something from here. Hmm. But these kind of MTVs are the indication that it can go down, but anything can be happen. There is a lot of more data. A lot of data is available on um, Google, so you can just have a look of candlesticks, charts, patterns, and stuff like that. So, hmm. Thank you so much, guys, for joining my session. Actually, OJB. Yeah, actually, I was just following the pattern. I think I did a mistake in this trade actually. I will do DC. I have just used in fact 1% of my portfolio. I have an order to uh, use like 2% of my capital and just try to grab the pattern. Uh, just try to grab the momentum of the any coin. But using like see uh, the RSI. So whenever I used to follow RSI, or RSI always just gives me a good opportunity to grab me some profit. But yeah, anything can be happen. Okay, let's see. Let's see. All right, guys. Um, okay, so I think I need to wait. The momentum is moving towards the bearish trend, but let's see. Let's wait and see. And later on, I will convert my trade to. Um, Sometimes yeah, sometimes uh, when the trade stocks and the price is just moving along some price range, so that's the way my scalping converts into intraday trade. Sometimes it happens, but yeah, not always. We always try to close our trade. I always try to close my trades every day and just keep it continue for the next day. Let's see if it goes a little bit more up, because there is a big hmm, if it's falling down from here, then here is the position I 0.170. I will do DCA at this mark if it goes wrong. Let's see. Can we get something from this trade, or Maybe we will lose something from this trade. There are chances for this one to come down. Let's see the 5 minutes time frame. Oh yes. Mm, So here is my break even, and hmm, but there is a potential for this one to come down. If we see the 1 hour time frame, yes, previous 4 hour candles were green. This one should be in red actually, but not always it happens like that. Of course, but if you do the back test and see what's going on here, let's see the 15 minutes time frame. So it went back, it goes up and went back down. So sometimes it takes a bit longer to close the trade in a good profit. But let me remove my TP from here, and I just want to keep it continue. Let's talk about let's talk about TP should be somewhere around here. That's only $50. Hmm, that's not much actually, but yeah. Okay. Moreover, what we are going to do is to wait and see if we can grab this profit. Actually, I'll show you guys. So if we see on the 1 hour time frame, we can see uh that's a 1 hour time frame. And where is my TP? Yeah, I just put my TP. So here is a rejection point. So see these empty wicks are showing the rejection. So there is a resistance at this mark. The price wanted to just try to go back to this mark, then fall back down, then try to go back. See this wick just touching this uh line, and then just next candle also, and then next candle also, then falls down, and just right back again to this mark and just fall down. And maybe just we'll just try to do that again, or maybe it can fall down a little bit more, then we'll go back up again. So that's the way actually the market works. So see support and resistance. So here was a resistance. Actually resistance is the seller's order block over there. So if the seller's order block are big on the bigger size and the buyers are on the lower side, so that's the way the price is just going down. So yeah, that's how it works. And let's see if you guys can see on the order book. Actually it also gives you an understanding. Okay, so how much coins are at what price? 0.177, as there are 1.07 million orders over there, and 1.78 would be 636K. While 0.175. The seller's order block are just in few $1,000. So that's the indication that the price is the order blocks are big. Sellers order block are big, and the buyers are on the lower side. So yeah, that's happening. And let's see. Mm, mhm. So we are using the 1 minute time frame. And okay, let's see about this one actually. Why just this happened? Okay, so let's talk about truth. So no, where is it? Let's this the trade I'm just stuck in actually. I will do DCA, but if crosses this one, so 0.0089. I just did a little bit hurry to open the position. My position was 96. Okay, okay, so that's a bit far from here. And 969389. Yeah, okay, if it crosses the 89 mark, this one 0.0089, then I will do DCA for this one as well. So that's the way I can just decrease my price at least. Okay, so let's talk about HUSDT. Let's see the order block. Order book showing us that there are 0.00. If we see, no, yes, we see 0.0675 is just booking, and no, I say, see, that's why I was just telling you seller side is strong at right now because there are big order blocks in the seller side and more coming in the seller side. And if it increases 75, 76, no, 74, and then now the price will go up. You guys will see a little bit more up. 174. And I'm seeing the order book actually. See the order book actually, if you see. So let's wait and see if it goes right or wrong. Okay. All right, guys. Oh, this one is just falling down again. So that means the potential movement is just shifting from bullish to bearish. You see? Well, I will do DC again, no worries, of this one and the other one as well. Okay. And it's just falling down, and it's just falling down. What's going on? Let's talk about BTC. Yeah, if we see BTC, it moves against actually BTC. Hmm. Okay, so what can we do here is, okay, guys. So the price of BTC is just moving up, and what we are going to do is we will see the potential movement of. Let's see the order book. Mm, and our position is stuck at this mark. I will do DCA at 0.170 for now. But let's see if we can get this chance. Okay, move a little bit up. And the previous position was, okay, I just entered the position here. Close this one. Okay, let's see. Where does it take us? So sometimes, yes, this happens. We get stuck at some position and some mark. So that's the way we are. That's the way we are stuck right now. But no worries. I will show you if my session closes at earliest. So I will confirm. I will show you tomorrow that I have to close this one in. How did I close it in positive? I could have do the DCA, or I should have to wait for this one to come at least break even. So that's the way we get. As previously, I did when I whenever I just put my stop loss, it always hits at some position at some mark, and then went back to the higher side or the lower side, whatever it's going on. But for now, we can wait and see where it will take us. All right. So here we are, and meanwhile, let's talk about Uh, this one. Okay. So potentially, if we see the RSI is in the favor of opening the long position, but the fall is not in the favor. So let's see if we follow the RSI. Let's consider that we have took the long position from here, from this mark, following by the RSI. So if it goes right, so let's see. Let's see if we consider that we have just took the position from 0.1752 or maybe 53. Okay, let's consider this. So let's see if it goes right. We're seeing the RSI actually. Let me check the 5 minutes time frame as well. Mm, okay, 15 minutes time frame. No, 5 minutes time frame. The RSI. No. So yeah, it's not clear yet actually. The RSI is still not in. Yeah, see, if we followed the RSI, we could have been in the bad shape actually, but we just did not took the position because of the fall actually. This fall. See guys, see, it's just falling down, 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 and we're at till what level it can fall down. Of course, the first resistance is here, and sorry. The first resistance is here. Sorry, support is here, and yeah, here somewhere around there actually. Yes. Where is the support actually for the short period of time? So we will see if we can, if we judge it right or wrong. But if it falls down to this mark, then we can open the long position. But if it not falling down to that mark, then it can go up, of course. Potentially, we see the 1 hour time frame. Yes, but we cannot confirm it yet. We can wait and see. Let's see. Let's talk about 15 minute time frame. Yeah, so the second support is here actually, somewhere around here, and on the longer period, and the third support is somewhere around here. Yes, that's right. I have just drawn the right support at this mark. So that's a major support actually. If we see on the 1 hour time frame, you see guys, that's a major support at this mark. If the price comes to this position, then we can just open the long position. There is a good support at this mark. But that should be for intraday trade, I must say. Like for you, for that, you need to just wait for the longer period of time. Or it could become like it just came to this mark. Let me draw you like almost 2 hours back. Yeah, it was here at the major support. There's a major support at this mark. So yes, we could have take the long position actually. Hello, Kevin. Kelvin, sorry. I just see your message. So, yeah, if the price comes to this mark, then we can open the long position for the intraday trade, maybe for the longer period of time. But for the short period of time, I'm not sure actually. There is a confusion right now. Mm, let's talk about 5 minutes time frame. No, not in favor. 1 minute time frame. Okay, okay. Okay. So, yes, we can uh very much for I think we can open the long position if the price touches this support level. The mm, yes. ठीक है. All right, let's see. We can see if we are okay. And the RSI is also in the favor. Yes, maybe. Um, what do you think, guys? Should I open the long position from here, maybe, or not? Not sure actually. Uh, Okay, okay. I have a feeling for this one, this will fall down a little bit. Then maybe it can go up, but not sure yet actually. Okay, okay, okay. So my understanding says that we should have to wait for this one to come at least at some point from where we can just open the position at least. For so that's where it tests your patience and it's testing my patience as well. I just made $100 today, which is okay, not bad, but not, of course, as much as I expected to make. And one of my trade is stuck. That's my live account, and it's on stake actually. So, well, I'm not worried actually. I have just took the long positions from almost the bottom of both coins. So yeah, sometimes my scalping converts to intraday trades or maybe some long, long trades. But as far as it doesn't show you liquidity, so you are safe, of course. But it's not recommended. Just try to close your trade, whether if it's good in position or not. So just need to just close your trade as well. So yes. Okay. So what's going on here is it's just coming back. Okay, let me open the long position from uh, am I doing hurry? No. So I'm just going to use $300. I am going to use how much margin should I use? Okay, 10x is good. Leverage, I am using 10x leverage from the market to open the long position because there is not big volume in this coin. So in such kind of coins, if once a big volume comes in, it can give you a good amount of profit. And that happens once in a blue moon. So so don't always just sit on the system to wait for that time. And if you took the wrong trade, then once in a blue moon opportunity could kick you out from the market as well. So be safe, guys. I don't recommend that. Should I open the long position if we see the RSI? Yes, RSI is just screaming like to open the long position, but not sure. It's just stopped at this mark, and let it fall down a little bit. So then I can open the long position. Let me see the 5 minute time frame. Hmm. I just don't want to get stuck in another trade. Uh, Let it come to 1745, somewhere around there. Yes, just like that. Oh, wow. It just grabbed the liquidity at this mark. But let's see if it falls down a little bit more so I can just grab an opportunity. Just 1745, then I will open the long position. It's now 0.1749. I just want this one to come a little bit low, maybe somewhere 1745 is good actually. Not sure. Let's see, let's see. Okay, okay. Come to that mark, come to that mark. So give me an opportunity to open the long position. Oh, just going back up. If I open the long from here, mm, but I think I should have to wait. I should not have to do hurry. Okay. Should I open? E Okay, let's set the limit price. 14146 should be good, I think. And using $300 almost. Oh, it's on the mark. Oh, I just grabbed the position. Guys, I think did I do the hurry? No, not yet. And just going to put TP. Oh, it's a very small amount of. Is $20? Oh, that's very low amount of profit. Just wait, guys. Okay, so I think so the price is just falling down. I think we are why we are in trouble today. Everything is going, I think. Hmm. Okay, let's see. I'm going to close this trade for now, actually. This one is not in my favor. So I just waited for this one to come at this break even. Finally, thanks God, this one just came to uh, break even. I will grab this from somewhere down there. And other trade is just stuck at $300 negative. Wow, it's a big negative trade. Let's see. Okay. All right. So we are just waiting for a good position to grab. And okay, so let's talk about this one for now. It not always happens like you just grab the bottom or top. Sometimes it falls down to some mark, then comes back again at some position. So yes, let's see. Just try to grab small amount of profits. So that's how it works. All right, guys. So what we are going to do is wait, just wait and see where it takes us. Okay, let's talk about the other one. Oh wow, truth is just falling at the right mark where I just wanted to do the DCA. So I will do DCA with the same amount of uh, mm, let me check. Yeah, so that's where I have to decide. Like, what's the matter? Why? Why it does not give me a good margin? Okay, I think let it go for now. I'm just going to put my TP to $250. In this trade, I will show you guys I have to make like $250, $273. I will show you guys. You guys will witness this one. Maybe it will take a little bit more time. But yes, I will show you how much money I could have made in this one. And let's talk about what. And let's see. Let's see. Mm, okay. See, sometimes when you follow the RSI, I just opened the position following by the RSI. Yeah, uh, the minimum benchmark was 30 for the intraday trade and long-term trades, and for the short-term trade, it should be like below 20. So I just took the long position. That's the support actually. If it breaks down the support, then it will fall down. And it will fall down to the next support And what is the next support? This one, 0.1703. So that would be the next support level for this one. So let's see if it falls down to that level or it breaks down the. All right, guys. What can we do at this mark? I don't know why it's just okay. Yeah. So that's the way we have to wait for maybe uh some period of time. So let's wait and see. Yeah, that's the support actually. I have just drawn the support. If this breaks this one, so there that can go a bit down. But how much down? Uh, the next support I have just drawn this mark. So let's see if this one is just going to hit. Sometimes your scalping converts to uh, intraday trades. So yeah, it happens sometimes. So let's see. Okay, okay, okay. Do I have an opportunity to do the DCA? Yes, we have. Uh, we opened this position with $277 and on the back up to 31, we can do the DCA with $231 later on, but we don't need to do that for now, at least. So let's see. Just see, that's the support actually. I just have drawn the support. Support means there is a big buyer order block at this mark. So sellers are just unable to push the price down. But if the big seller order block fills over there, then of course it's just falling down. Yeah, just a little bit pushback. So I can I just opened the position with very small amount of margin. Actually, I should have to open with a long margin, a big margin, but that's okay. That's totally okay for now. Hmm, let's see if we can grab it. All right. See, the price is just going up. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, you guys can just write me in the comment section. Moreover, there is a link in bio, so you guys just can click on the link to join the community and participate in the community. So if you have some knowledge, you have something to discuss, or you want to learn something, so we will just make a good community to help each other and understand the markets, understand the movements, and try to make some profit, try to make some money from the market. So there are a lot of people just working on it, making money, and of course we are also making some money. Sometimes we get stuck some just like that, but no worries. I always close my trades in positive, so it helps from like sometimes it my scalping converts to intraday trade, but no worries. We still make money. Always use small amount of margin, and try to use minimum leverage. So the most minimum leverage means, of course, the profit is low, but you are in a safe zone at least. So if something goes wrong, so you can later on do DCA, or later on sometimes uh, you can close the negative on the trade, and sometimes coin prices just move back to that price, that point as well. So yeah, it happens. All right, let's see uh, if the price is on the okay. So price is just at stuck at some point. Uh, well, let's talk about the trade I have just stuck. Yeah, see, that's what I was just talking about. I will just close this trade in positive for sure. There is a big support at this mark. Show. Let me show you. So here is the support actually. Actually, this was the rejection point. That was the least lowest point of price point of this coin. 0.00844, and there is not much volume, so it cannot fall down more, I think, as per my understanding, as far as it's listed on the exchange. And uh, don't runs away. So yeah, and moreover, I will show you. Okay, what about this one? Let's talk about this one. Yes, it just I just closed the trade over there, not here actually. Okay, what do you think, guys? Should I open the short position or long position from here? I'm not sure for now actually. All right, let's close our previous trades first instead of opening a new position. That's why I always tell people to do that, and I'm just not following my um yeah, discipline. So Okay, okay. Let's see if it goes right or wrong. And no, the Edge coin, the previous coin, I just closed the trade. Uh, that was the first trade I took, and if I could keep, I said that I just wanted to keep it continue till the end of the session, but unfortunately, I just closed it on that. My TP, my SL was hit on $50, still positive, but I should have to keep it continue instead of putting the stop loss. Well, no worries. And I think this one is just going to break the support level and goes back to some point maybe. And this one is getting a good pushback. Okay, let's see. Okay, so what do you think, guys? This one is going to fall down again, maybe? I'm not sure. There's not much volume in this one. I don't know. It's just moving down. Well, let's wait and see. There was a big push in this coin today. See, guys. Yeah, it went to 119, 0.011935, somewhere around there. Let me check again. Yeah, 0.0011890. So that was a good pump actually. And now it's on 0.009142. So it's on the, I think on the lower side right now. And our entry point is 0.0096. So that's very good chaseable, and my TP is at 0.0100. So let's keep it to 100 somewhere. Okay, let's keep it to $10. Yeah. So here's my TP at 100, and so let's see if we can grab this one. Mm, okay. So what's going on? What happened with that one actually? This went wrong again. See, this is just falling down. Uh, what just happened? Okay, my TP is there actually. My TP of both positions are there. I think the session will be very long if I will keep it continue for the longer period of time. But let's close the session for now. Uh, if you guys have any question, you guys can just write me down, and that's the way we can take the make some profit, and that's the way we can just keep our loss in front of our eyes. So I'm just not going to close these trades. I will show you the positions tomorrow, hopefully, in the order history. Of course, we cannot delete that, so that's the way you can understand, okay, we can just make some profit as well. That's the stop loss is why I just hit, which is $3 and $6. On the other hand, I have made $50 and $70. So okay, we can make good profit. And meanwhile, these two trades are stuck for now, but we will just, I just wanted to close these trades in the positive. So I already have put my TP at 0.01759. So okay, one TP is there, and the other TP is on the other position is also there. So yes, that's achievable. Uh, that's, yeah, that's totally achievable. So let's see if we can just make some profit from those trades. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time, for being with me, and we will I will come online again tomorrow at the same time. We'll try to trade with the different manners, and we'll try to get more information and see if we can just do perform a good trade tomorrow. All right, guys, see you guys tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this trading stuff, and see you guys. Bye bye.